Your dog just had diarrhea, and what you do in the next few hours can either fix it or make it dangerously worse. Stay till the end, because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do immediately at home, and one mistake that 90% of dog owners make without realizing. Your dog looks normal, maybe just one loose stool. You think it's nothing. But inside your dog's body, something very serious can start happening. Diarrhea is not just loose motion. It's your dog losing fluids, electrolytes, and protective gut bacteria at the same time. And if this continues even for a few hours, your dog can start moving toward dehydration, weakness, and in small dogs, it can get dangerous very quickly. Now, the real question is, why did this happen? Most common reason? Something your dog ate. It could be leftover human food, sudden change in dog food, spoiled food, or even something small from the floor. And here's something most owners don't realize. Your dog's gut has a delicate balance of bacteria, the microbiome. The moment this balance is disturbed, the gut reacts instantly, and diarrhea starts. Now, listen carefully. What you do immediately matters more than anything. First step, and this is where most people go wrong, stop feeding solid food for a few hours. Yes, don't panic feed. Because when the gut is irritated, adding more food just keeps triggering more diarrhea. Give the gut a short break.
Second, hydration is everything. Your dog is losing fluids rapidly, so you must replace them gently. Give small amounts of clean water, or even better, a simple electrolyte solution, like oral rehydration, but very diluted. Give small sips every 30 to 60 minutes. Don't force large amounts at once. Third, after a few hours, you can start a very light, soothing diet. Best options: boiled chicken, plain, no salt, no spices. White rice, well cooked, soft. This combination is easy on the gut and helps restore digestion slowly. Now, here's a mistake that many people make. They give milk, or oily food, or even random home remedies. This makes things worse. Milk can irritate the gut further. Oily food slows recovery, and random remedies can disrupt the already sensitive system. Now, another important point. Observe your dog closely, because not all diarrhea is simple. If you see vomiting along with diarrhea, blood in stool, extreme weakness, refusal to drink water, or diarrhea lasting more than 24 hours, this is no longer a home manageable situation. This means your dog may need medical treatment, fluids, or medication. And here's something powerful. Most mild diarrhea cases, if handled correctly in the first few hours, recover very quickly. But if you ignore it or keep feeding wrong things, you actually prolong the illness. So remember this simple rule. When diarrhea starts, pause feeding, protect hydration, and go gentle on the gut. And if you truly care about your dog's health, don't just react. Understand what their body is telling you. Because your dog cannot speak, but their gut always gives signals. If you want more simple, science-based tips like this to keep your dog healthy and safe, make sure you subscribe to Dr. O's Health Talk, because what you don't know might be slowly harming your dog.